guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be recreating this look. I did get inspired by Mitchell, which is this eyeshadow look. Sorry, my phone is like really cracked. Well, it's not my phone, but you know, well, it is my phone, but I don't use it anymore. Anyways, back to the whole intro thing. But yeah, I did get inspired by Mitchell. So if you like to see how I recreated this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, y'all. So I know I look somewhat crazy right now. Just, you know, hang in there with me. You're gonna trust the process. So, ooh, I do look crazy. Okay, so for the first shade, I'm gonna be using my Morphe 35B palette. For the first shade, I'm gonna go in with this purple shade right here, and I am using my Morphe M441 with this shade. Since it's more like, you know, bright, and it's gonna be our transition shade. You want to put it like right by the brow bone and just do it in circular motions. Until you get all the way to the inner corner and the outer corner. You're gonna go ahead and blend it. Oh shit. You're gonna go ahead and blend it, and what you're gonna do with this shade is you basically want to kind of raise it up a little bit higher than the brow bone, since you are going in with multiple bright colors, so you don't want this shade to disappear in the process of blending the other ones. How much I want to bet this eye is going to come out so much better than this eye. I can already tell. This eye, it kind of has eyeshadow, like, well, it does have eyeshadow right here, and it's like all the way to my nose. I'm gonna clean it up, so don't worry. Just ignore it for now. Alright, so with my next brush, I think that's all the brushes I used. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead with this purple shade right here. With my Makeup Shack brush with my brush from the Makeup Shack and T58, and with this eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the crease and kind of do the same thing I did with the other purple shade, and I'm just gonna tap it on. And then just go ahead and blend in circular motions. Circular motion. And I'm gonna turn my brush, so basically, so I was blending it like this, flat down. So I'm gonna turn the brush this way and just blend it out, so the darker purple shade can go up into the brow bone, kind of, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. Alright, so now with my Morphe, it's a kind of like a flat blending brush, if that makes sense. I don't know. It came in like a brush collection, a brush set. I'm gonna go ahead with this bluish, darkish shade right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the, oh my god, I can't talk. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the crease, not exactly on the crease, but above the crease a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go in circular motions. I'm gonna go ahead with the brush that has no product on it, and then just go ahead and blend everything in together. I'm gonna go ahead with this black shade right here with this Ulta brush. It looks like this. It's like angled brush. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of black and just basically tap it on the crease. And then blend it out in circular motions. In circular motion. So with that brush, I had no product on it. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it again and blend it out. Alright, so then I'm gonna go ahead and use a makeup wipe to remove the makeup that's on the crease. You can use concealer, but I rather use a wipe because it cleans off the eyeshadow, so when I put concealer on, it won't look, you know, like turn like a different color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the crease. Alright, I try my best, you know, it doesn't really matter. But now I'm gonna go ahead with a concealer brush, and I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer to cut the crease. And I am doing this somewhat like higher than my crease is normally. So then with a flat brush, well, it's not really a flat brush, but it's a flat brush, you know. Well, it is a flat brush, but whatever they're called. I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on the concealer to make sure it dries down. Once it has dried down, I'm gonna go ahead with this shade right here, this shimmer shade, and then with the flat brush, which is my Morphe flat brush, it doesn't have a number. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up that shade and just put it on the outer corner. So then with what's ever left over on the brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and bring it into the inner corner, because we aren't gonna focus this blue shade on the inner corner. It's more of the white shimmer shade, so it doesn't really matter if you put a lot of that blue shade. And I said the inner corner, I meant the middle. You know what I mean. Right. So then I'm gonna go ahead with the brush that I used for the black, and then grab a little bit of black again, and then just put it on the crease so it doesn't look like we lost the black. And just go ahead and blend it out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the black again and then bring it into the outer corner. And then into the inner corner as well. Alright, so then this eye looks so bad right now, just don't look at it. So then for my Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, I'm going to be using the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm going to go in with this white shade right here, and with the flat brushes from e.l.f. You can use any flat brush, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the middle of the lid. So then I'm going to go ahead after that with my finger and just put it on the lid as well, because I feel like the shade does get more pigmented. It does come out more pigmented when you use it with your finger. So then with the brush that I used for the blue shade, I'm gonna go ahead and just make like a V shape, I guess you could say. So, like always, this eye came out better than this eye. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, put eyelashes on and clean up, you know, the little errors, and put on some foundation on, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is my finished look. I will have all the products that I use in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check those out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.